If you want to get premium on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Premium can unlock extra features, depending on the plan you choose, and the subscription process is straightforward once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast, practical tutorials just like this. 1. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X on your browser or mobile app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to upgrade. On the main menu, look for the More option. This is usually in the side menu if you're on desktop, or inside the main navigation on mobile. Click or tap More, then select Premium from the menu. Once the Premium page loads, you'll see the available subscription options. Take a moment to review the plans carefully, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. Depending on your region and account, you may see different billing options or plan levels. After you've chosen your preferred plan, click Subscribe and Pay. At this stage, X will ask you to enter your billing details, fill in the required payment information carefully, including your card or billing details, and make sure everything is correct before continuing. Once the details are entered, confirm the transaction to complete the purchase. After the payment goes through, your account should upgrade to Premium shortly after confirmation. You may need to refresh the page or reopen the app if the new features do not appear right away. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to X Premium. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.